Every project here at Sugar Lab begins with an idea. So the client has this concept that they want to make into a reality. So we take that concept and send it to our 3D designer. They'll take that concept and make an incredible full color shape and then actually email it to our chefs here at the lab, and we'll publish it directly to this 3D printer. The current 3D printer is incredible because it's the only NSF certified food 3D printer anywhere in the world, and it's the only one that operates at scale. So we can print thousands and thousands of products overnight and have it ready for the chefs in the morning. And that's the really key difference between this technology and other 3D printers that we see that are for food.
I feel like I'm getting to work on the future of food, future of desserts, just future tech that's going to be able to, one day these things are going to be in like everyone's kitchen. Not tomorrow, but sooner than we think.